Hey there, Snapchat users. If you're frustrated with the support code SS02 error in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered. This pesky error often pops up due to login issues, server glitches, or app problems, but the good news is that it's usually fixable with a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll be back to sharing snaps in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is support code SS02? It's an error message from Snapchat that typically means there's a temporary problem with your account access, like a failed login or a connection issue. This could be caused by weak internet, outdated app versions, or even cached data buildup. But hey, no need to panic. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try opening another app or website to see if it loads properly. If your connection is spotty, restart your router or switch networks. This simple check resolves the issue about half the time. Next, restart the Snapchat app. Sometimes, apps just need a quick refresh. Close Snapchat completely from your recent apps menu, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. If that doesn't work, try restarting your entire device. It's like giving your phone a fresh start. Step 3. Update Snapchat to the latest version. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for updates. Snapchat regularly releases patches to fix bugs, including errors like SS02. If an update is available, install it and log back in. If you're still seeing the error, it's time for Step 4. Clear the app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, and select Clear Cache or Clear Data. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or reset settings through the Settings app. This wipes out any corrupted files without deleting your account. As a last resort, reinstall Snapchat. Uninstall the app, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. Remember to log in with your credentials afterward. This often works wonders for stubborn errors. If none of these steps help, it might be a server-side issue on Snapchat's end. In that case, contact Snapchat support through their help center or in app options. They can investigate account-specific problems. There you have it. Easy fixes for support code SS02 in 2025. I hope this video saved you some headache. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Happy snapping!